It's a milestone year for the School of Medical Sciences. We are turning 50. We are celebrating our 50th anniversary, and as part of the celebration, we are launching a special project to take our institution to the next level.
Dear alumni and students, as we celebrate our 50-year anniversary as the School of Medical Sciences, we have an opportunity of making a lasting impact through our multi-story building project at the Komfanochi Teaching Hospital. This state-of-the-art is going to ensure educational and clinical capabilities of our future healthcare professionals. This building is going to house modern classrooms, laboratories, stimulation centers, ensuring and enhancing an optimal environment for students. With more spaces, we can accommodate more students, bridging the gap and reducing the doctor-to-patient ratio in our society. With more spaces, we can accommodate greater number of students, ensuring we train a greater number of healthcare professionals to meet growing demands.
This is a testament and not just a hearsay. The School of Medical Sciences, KNUST, is committed in providing quality and excellence education, which can be translated in the lives of our various health professionals. In view of our milestone achievement, we are having fundraising activity. We call on all stakeholders, alumni, parents and friends to join us to make this dream a reality. Your contribution, whether big or small, can go a long way to bring us closer to our goal. Whether it is a one-time donation or recurring pledge, every bit counts. Together we can make a difference, and the time is now.
Not only will the state-of-the-art facilities enable students to actively engage in research, it will also allow them to dive into the beautiful world of innovations. This will create a platform for students to improve their healthcare delivery.
And that's not all. These facilities will provide students with enhanced clinical training so that the students will get hands-on experience in clinical practice to better prepare them for real-world medical challenges.
So, we urge you all to help us connect with potential donors and sponsors who share in our commitment in advancing medical education.
Don't forget to join us on 3rd April for the lunch at the Great Hall. Looking forward to seeing you.
SMS at 50. A glance at the past, a glimpse into the future.